I just want to talk about growing plants from dried fruit. So basically, these are dried mulberries, and they're delicious. And they also have a ton of seeds in them. So I bought a bunch from the bulk store, and what I did was I soaked them overnight in water, upon which they became very soft, and I squeezed out all the seeds. I put some of the seeds in water here. Um, and it's been about a week or two. You can't really see it, but one of them is kind of cracking its shell open and sprouting. The black things, those are papaya seeds, and those other big ones are olive seeds. Papaya seeds have success with soaking. Olive seeds, pits, not really so far. But my mulberry seeds that I've put in the dirt directly without soaking, just with the 24-hour initial soak, some of them are actually sprouting, as you can see that green thing there, and over there now. But if we come to the wet paper towel method, we will see a nice surprise. So after the initial 24-hour soak of the dried mulberry, I use the wet paper towel method, and it's been about 1 or 2 weeks by my estimates. And as you can see, we have a lot of these mulberry seeds germinating. So I'll be planting them in soil very soon. But there you go. It's a success that you can actually grow plants from dried fruit. There's also figs available, so I probably want to try that. But there you go. This is mulberry, and I don't know if it's white or red mulberry, but they looked kind of white to me. Anyways, hope that helps, and have a great winter.